SprayMaker is just so versatile, able to adapt to so many uses. Today we are going to do pepper spray or bear spray, used strictly for self-defense. YouTube has many how-to videos for homemade pepper sprays. The main problem I have with them is not the formula, but the delivery methods. Using a simple spray bottle that only sprays a few feet is not a good self-defense delivery in my mind. With SprayMaker, you can deliver a solid stream up to 30 feet. The trigger spray nozzle has a safety lock to prevent accidental release, and the mini bottle is perfect for pocket or purse. Here's how it works. Fill the mini bottle about halfway with your homemade pepper spray. Make sure it contains no particles that can clog the nozzle. Screw on the adapter. Fit the docker onto the propellant can. With nozzle removed, invert the mini bottle and press onto the docker for about 3 to 4 seconds. The mini bottle is now pressurized and ready for use. Attach the trigger spray nozzle to the mini bottle. To use, break the safety tab and spray. Thanks for your interest in SprayMaker, the kit that turns any plastic soda bottle into a refillable, reusable, recyclable aerosol.